Okay, Arien, so you've got these two done now. While you've got these selected, just do Control G to group those. So when you move things around, you know how to add the type, so I don't need to show you that. Now we're going to do this one. This is pretty much the same sort of format. So you can get this again and basically follow the shape, and then you can find these circles and take it out. And you can see that the top obviously is different to the bottom. So then you've got the selection tool, which selects a whole lot. You've got the direct selection tool. So you could see how this goes by dragging this in. And then again on this side, just try and keep it even and drag that in. So you can change these or move them however you feel. These arms here will move that line around. If you're not happy with something, Control Z. Okay, so you can also click and drag over these two nodes here, and if you want to drag the whole lot up, you can. So there's quite a few things you can do there to make it work. Then you could, if you want to make it easy on yourself, just get this shape here and take it across. Again, bring it out. I'm just going to make it a bit shorter for the sake of this. Okay, and then I'm going to get these elements here. So select both of these, and then again the horizontal align center. So now I know they're centered before I do any more. I'm going to deselect them by clicking on the background, and then I'm going to get the pen tool and I'm going to click on this side and hold down the shift key so I get a straight connection. But then don't lift your mouse off if you want a curve, and just take it like that. If you want the curve the same down the bottom, then you can just start dragging it, hit the Alt key, but you may want to have it straighter down the bottom. Okay, so you've got those. And then with the lines, just do some lines. It's always better if you get them connecting. Actually, before you do those, I'll delete that. I'm going to show you something else. So I'm going to select just these two shapes, not these lines. And I'm going to use a shape builder tool. And I'm going to click in here and take it up to there. So now that's a separate shape. Okay. And if I wanted to create a shape here, if my lines are touching, let's see if they are, then this can become a different shape. So if you wanted to put a different colored label on it, you can. So this will only work, and it's going to work now, if your lines are touching each other. There we go. So you could, for example, fill this with a, this is a different shape to this, and then you've got this one here now because you've used the shape builder tool. So you can just click on this to color in whichever, and then put your type on top. Okay, and if you're wanting to do text and you want it to be slightly curved as well, you could, with the direct selection tool, get that line there, let's see if it works, and put the type on path tool, which is this one here. And then see it follows that curve that you've got there. But you would want to have obviously a different typeface, but you also want to increase the tracking as well. So you would look at this one maybe here and put it, say, 50. Oops, not correct. This is the tracking here. So you might have 100 or you might have 50. Then with the direct selection tool, you can move it across there and move it into place. Okay, there's some more tutorials.